Hi everyone, and thank you for joining our May's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. We have another special episode in which we are featuring another winner during our National Nutrition Month cooking contest we ran during March. Today's episode will feature Caroline's Tuna Peppers. Let's get into the ingredients. 8 ounces canned tuna packed in water, 1/4 cup light cream cheese, 1/2 cup light mayonnaise, 6 mini bell peppers, condiments to taste. So this is another simple and easy protein-packed recipe. We will start by cutting our peppers in half. So we'll cut the tops off. We'll cut the seeds out of the center. I like to just take the knife, just go right around and then pull them right out. Since these are sweet peppers, the seeds are not going to be hot or in any way alter the taste of the recipe. So if you want to keep them, you absolutely are more than welcome to do such. And then we'll cut our peppers lengthwise. And then we'll just pull the stems right down out of the middles. Okay, so after we cut our peppers in half, we'll take some of that cream cheese. Now I chose a light whipped chive, but you can use whatever cream cheese flavor you choose. And we'll just layer a thin layer on each pepper. So after we put a thin layer of our cream cheese on the peppers, we will mix our tuna and our mayonnaise together. So we're gonna add some salt and pepper just to taste. Again, I can eyeball it at this point, but about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and then we'll do about the same for salt. Now, tuna salad consistency is very much individualized. Some people like it more wet, so they like more mayonnaise. Some like it more on the dry side. So it is completely up to you whether you would wanna add less mayonnaise to it. Okay, and then we'll just take that tuna salad and we'll scoop it right on top of each pepper. Okay, so after we scoop our tuna salad on top, you can top it with whatever you would like. So I'm going to do some with some white sesame seeds and then some with some chopped chives on top, just to give it a little bit more color and flavor. Okay, and there you have our May recipe of tuna peppers. Thank you for joining and watching our May episode of Cooking with Celebrate, where we featured our tuna peppers. This is an easy, quick, and simple high-protein snack idea for you to try. See you next month for our next feature on Cooking with Celebrate.